Android Auto, a feature that's become a game changer for car enthusiasts. But it seems like Samsung's new Galaxy S24 series is running into some bumps on this digital road. As revealed on a support page in the UK, Samsung is acknowledging that Android Auto on the Galaxy S24 series is currently facing some hurdles. Specifically, in certain cars, Android Auto struggles to connect or maintain a stable connection. The affected vehicles span across various models from Volkswagen, Skoda, BMW, and Seat. According to Samsung, the root of the issue lies with the vehicle itself rather than the phone or Google's software. The three automakers are reportedly in the process of developing software updates to address the issue. Samsung elaborates, some users have reported that they are unable to use Android Auto to connect their Galaxy S24 to their Volkswagen, Skoda, or Seat cars. If you are experiencing this issue, try the steps below. The support page outlines several troubleshooting steps for affected users, including checking car settings, trying different USB cables, updating the Android Auto app, and checking for system updates on the Galaxy S24. Regarding Volkswagen vehicles, Samsung points out a specific issue related to how IP addresses are assigned through Android hotspots. Volkswagen's system isn't fully compatible with this, but an update may already be available from dealers to resolve the issue. It's worth noting that compatibility issues with Android Auto aren't entirely new to Samsung devices. Similar problems arose after the launch of last year's Galaxy S23 series, and even Samsung's recent Android 14 update caused some headaches for users with Android Auto. As of now, there's no information on other car brands or regions affected by these issues, but Samsung and the automakers are actively working to iron out the kinks. Stay tuned for updates on the situation, and if you're experiencing any issues, reach out to your car manufacturer's customer service for assistance. Looking for a smarter driving experience? Look no further. Our latest portable car stereo comes equipped with cutting-edge features to enhance your journey. Wireless connectivity. Say goodbye to tangled cords. Our smart player supports both Apple Carplay and Android Auto wirelessly, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, access your favorite apps, maps, music, videos, and more directly from your car's display. Plus, enjoy hands-free control with Siri or Google Assistant voice commands. Upgrade your driving experience today with our brand new smart player.